Today, we will learn a few tips to how to represent ourselves in a group discussions, basically in interviews or get-togethers, etc. Representing yourself well in a group discussion requires confidence, clarity, and active participation. Here are a few tips to help you stand out and boost your confidence. 1. Be prepared. Before the discussion, familiarize yourself with the topic. This gives you the confidence to contribute meaningfully and stay engaged. 2. Stay calm and composed. Take deep breaths and stay relaxed. When you speak slowly and clearly, it reflects confidence, and others are more likely to listen. 3. Make eye contact. This shows you're engaged and confident. It also helps you connect with others in the group. 4. Listen actively. Show respect for others' opinions by listening carefully before responding. It also helps you form better, more relevant points. 5. Speak clearly and concisely. Avoid long-winded explanations. Focus on getting your point across in a few sentences, and make sure your ideas are clear. 6. Use positive body language. Sit up straight, nod in agreement, and avoid crossing your arms. This nonverbal communication signals openness and confidence. 8. Don't fear mistakes. It's okay to not have all the answers. Be open to learning from others and express your thoughts without the pressure of perfection. 9. Stay calm under pressure. If someone interrupts or disagrees with you, don't panic. Politely wait your turn or respond calmly and avoid getting defensive. 10. Be yourself. Authenticity matters. Don't try to be someone you're not. Your unique perspective is valuable. Positive affirmations. Tell yourself, I am capable and have valuable insights to offer. Remember, you're not alone. Everyone in the discussion is there to share ideas and learn. Don't stress about being perfect. Just contribute authentically. With practice and the right mindset, you'll find yourself more comfortable and effective in group discussions. Thank you for watching.